I believe in me. Do you believe in me? Do you believe I can stand up here, fearless, and talk to all of you? I can do anything, be anything, create anything, dream anything, become anything, because you believe in me. Do you believe that every Landmaster student can graduate, ready for the work market and for life? You'd better. No matter how high or low our English levels are, you'd better not give up on us. Trainer and coaches, we need you to believe in us, in our goals. I want to say thank you for what you've done for me and for so many others. You've helped me get to where I am today. Thank you.